Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Destiny, and if you've seen my face before and you haven't subscribed yet, then baby, what is you doing? Subscribe. This is my first video back. As you guys can tell, it's a room tour slash room inspiration. This is actually my second room like tour on my channel. My first one was about a year ago when I was living on campus. I attend the University of Central Florida. Go Knights, charge on. It's a new school year. I'm a junior now. As y'all can probably tell, this is going to be a vlog style dorm tour. You know, I'm gonna give y'all the tea about where I got my stuff in my room. A lot of my stuff came from Walmart, Ross, Amazon, and Target. I think that's all y'all need to know right now. So with all that being said, I know I talk too much. You ain't gotta tell me. Let's get right into the video. So we're gonna start from outside of my room, and on the outside of my door I have this sign. When we first walk into my room, this is what you see. Right by my door I have this little key holder thingy, and I actually got this from the dollar store. I have this Paris clock. It was also in my old dorm as well. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon. Next to the clock, I have my handy dandy calendar. I live by this calendar, guys. You have no idea. And below it, I have this cute nightstand. This is like one of my favorite parts of my room. It's just like so cute to me. So on the nightstand, I have these 3 little candle holders, and the light's supposed to like shine through and create this cute decoration. Got those from the dollar store as well. I believe it was $3 each. $1 each, and you know I got 3 of them, so $3 in total. So this Bless This Mess sign, I got it from Walmart, and I seen it and I was just like, this is perfect for my room. Next to it, I have this Eiffel Tower statue, and it says Paris on it. And that was also in my old dorm. And I also have my little light up D. Down here, I have like books, my journals, and my Bible back there. And I have my little sign that says, one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. I don't remember where I got this from, but most likely Amazon. I know for a fact I got the little alarm clock from Amazon as well. Next, I have this full body mirror. It's from Walmart, and it was only like $4.60 something, I believe. There's 2 different mirrors that look exactly like this, but one is $15 and one is $5. Get the $5 one. They have different colors. You'll most likely find one that goes with your room. And I love this mirror. This is my dresser. Right over there, I have this little stool with my Xbox sitting on it. I'm actually team PS4, but I have an Xbox, so it's whatever. But you know, that's not what this is about. I have my Roku. I think it was like $136 when I bought it. So it's this little smart TV. I got it from Walmart. Behind it, I have these fake flowers that I also had in my old dorm, also behind my TV. Above it, I have this cute sign that is literally me. It says namaste in bed all day because sleep is life. So these curtains, I don't know where they're from. Actually, I have to ask my mom, but they're like these little sheer curtains. They're so cute, and they go with my room. They go on my theme or whatever. This is my bed. This is like my favorite thing in my whole entire room. It's just like, I feel like my bed is just like the staple item of my room, and I love it so much. It's so comfortable, and I be in that bed all day. No lie, no joke. So I got these little gold thingies. They look like little suns to me. I got them from Ross. I believe it was like $25. It was like a set, and I just knew it would go perfectly with my room. This one wall right here is just a completely different color from the rest of my room, and I just feel like the gold stands out on it. And above my bed, I have another Eiffel Tower. This bed set is from Wayfair. I ordered it. It was on sale, and it's actually like interchangeable. So if I flip it, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. It has a completely different pattern on the other side. I'm actually gonna change it to that pattern very soon. So next to my bed, I have my ottoman. There's actually another mini ottoman on the inside of it, and the top of it comes off and turns into like a little tray so I can like eat on my bed and stuff. I just don't have anywhere to put the little ottoman, so it's just like, yeah, in there. Next is my desk area. So we're gonna start off with these mirrors up here. I got these mirrors from Walmart. Below is my desk. So take y'all up close and personal. This is a lamp that I got from Walmart. My mom hates that I leave the lamp up this way, but I like it this way because when I don't feel like having on my big light up here, which I have on right now, I can just have on this light and it lights up the room perfectly. Next to my lamp, I have my diffuser, and I love it so much. And I have this stapler. I love the stapler so much, and it's marble. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's marble and gold, and it's really cute. And I have my little gold and black polka dot pen still. This desk is kind of set up similarly to how it used to be in my old place. So yeah, this is like my little makeup stuff. I don't even be wearing makeup like that, but I kind of like the look of it. So yeah, that's that. And you know, I keep my laptop right here. I got this long ruler. It's 18 inches from Target. Oh, and I also got the stapler and stuff from Target. I didn't mention that, I don't think. And right here, I have these clear containers and stuff just for miscellaneous items or whatever, like paper clips and stuff like that. I got all of these things right here from Amazon. And next to it, I have this cute little plant that I got from Target. Next to my desk, I have this thing that used to be behind my door, and above it, it's my love sign. It lights up pink. I haven't been using it that much, it's just there. But basically on the top, I have perfumes and miscellaneous items. My Disney ears are all stuffed in there. My medications, makeup bag, and then all my supplies are down here. Now, this is my big mirror. It's right across from my bed, so I just be sitting here. I really be sitting here looking like the Grinch. I got these dots from Amazon. I think they were $7, but they give you a lot. And I basically put them on the sides of my mirrors to bring out the polka dots that's in my bed set. And I still have like dots left over. They give you so much. So now I'm gonna show you my bathroom. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is what it looks like. These towels are from Walmart. My mom just folded them all fancy and stuff. And above it, there's this little picture that I got from the dollar store. It was $3. So yeah. Below it, I have my old Paris theme soap dispenser. And next to it, there's this little gold container that I got from Walmart, and I did not know what I wanted to use it for. But there's a little succulent on the inside of it that I got from Target, and it's just there. That's where it lives now. Next to the toilet, I have this little toilet brush that I got from Amazon, and it's golden white. It's super cute, and it's actually high quality. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was like $7. Next to it, I have my gold trash can, and I got that from Walmart. The toothbrush holder and the soap dispensers and the soap holder are all from Walmart, and they match the trash can. And I also got these rugs from Walmart. They're the plushy waterproof ones that I like, and I think they were like $5, maybe less, I don't know. This curtain is from my old dorm tour, and I didn't have a bathroom then. I used it as like a cover for my closet. So now it's an actual shower curtain. And I have these little gold diamonds, pink diamonds up here that came from Amazon as well. I don't remember the price of them because my mom ordered them, so yeah. inside the bathtub, I have this little caddy that I got from the dollar store. That bill was like $5. I have this shower mat thing that also came from the dollar store. And on this little wall across from my toilet, I have these 3 little pictures. They were actually a Christmas gift, so I can't really tell you where I got them from, but I feel like a Target. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. I hope I gave y'all some I can't talk. I hope I gave y'all some inspiration, some ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. It's very girly, I know, but you know, I post every week, twice a week. I hope you guys continue to come back. If you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram is at lort.pls. My Snapchat is mindlessgalaxies. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, baby, because I'm back. And we're gonna have some fun, and I have some lit video ideas coming up, you know, and some personal ones. I have a new camera now, so I don't have to film on my phone anymore. With all that being said, bye!